G'day everybody. Now work is great, but it might be more fun to talk about transporting the gear you love safely and securely.
No matter what you do it with Grunt.
To choose the right tie down for the job, there are two important things to consider. The lashing capacity of the tie down, which should comfortably exceed the weight of whatever you need to restrain, and the length of the strap you need to reach both of your attachment points with some webbing to spare. Now let's talk about boats. The boat transom tie downs come as a pair and are designed to securely link the back of your boat to the back of your boat trailer. These are a wide over-centre style tie down with a rust-resistant finish. If you need to transport a motorcycle, then Grunt motorcycle tie downs are just what you need. Motorcycle tie downs also come as a pair and are fitted with flat carabiner style hooks to help the hooks and webbing stay in place to prevent accidental damage to the bike. We recommend using these tie downs in conjunction with soft straps to protect the finish of your bike. For ease of use securing a load on a ute tray or in a trailer, try the over-centre tie down.
Just got to get the threading right. Go through there, under there, pull it back up, go through the two loops, pulls back on itself. Okay, then we lock the ends down. So I have it fairly well loose, crank over, lock it into place. Very solid. To release, simply press that button, open it up, slide out. No loose loads, people. Work like a professional. Tie it down with Grunt. Visit usegrunt.com for more information.
No matter what you do it with Grunt.